small thingies here. Basically, this has, allow me to see if I can see myself what I do, because I have the screen behind us. This is USB-C cable, and you can push it right in here, and voila, holds it in really strong. You got the second one, you got the third one, and they are really steady. I mean, I abuse them. We went to, every time we go somewhere, either is out, or we do as a family go to an event in London, or the other day we went to Kew Garden. My kids like, Daddy, I need power. Every time they go somewhere, school, Daddy, I need some more power. My wife, I need some more power.